defense has competed here tonight. Eskimos have to be happy about. So Chris Edwards
takes a shot. Chris Edwards.
shut down by Chris Edwards. Brady, and he gets upended. Chris Edwards.
Because if that forearm hits the ground first,
Lost to the left side and Johnson.
Chris Edwards, who makes the hit right there. And
the Banks.
And he'll say, okay, not the right decision. Arbuckle, you got away with it. Because that one could have gone the other way. That's Chris Edwards sandwiching Don Jackson.
Chris Edwards ripped the mail. Edwards back on defense.
Throws, and it's intercepted right at the 1 yard line.
And that's Felix Maubert.
Getting to the point of attack. Konar eats up 2 blocks.
Harris looking for blocks, but
Steps up, he dumps it off. Beaulieu.
off to the races.
Cold Lake, Alberta. Rescues.
So there, Chris Edwards. Drops him for
How many else can?
Harris again. It goes out of his hands quickly, and he has Adams.
It makes you turn out of your backfield, and that was Chris Edwards again.